I'm doing Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. And today I'm stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I'll probably find this under Instagram, maybe buy it. I got a little advert regarding this company. I might be pronouncing it right, I might not, but I will put the name here. I'll say how I say it. I'll look it up. If it's a different phonetic way of saying it, I will also post it in the video. But this is from a brand called Tokidoki. That's how I pronounce them. And they have these cute little characters and figures that are reminiscent to me anyway, and I hope they don't take offense of it. It kind of reminds me of the Hello Kitty phenomenon. So I'm going to open up this box. This is like a gift box, like a surprise box. I don't know what's in it. So I will be unpacking this, and we will both be viewing this together as to what's inside. I will post the price of the box, and I did pay for it in installments. They had an installment plan, otherwise it's a little pricey. I probably wouldn't have bought it, but because they made it so attractive to put a pay installment plan on it, I figured I'll take the chance. I'll tell you about this. Is look at the Adorbs packaging. It's with their characters that are on there. Really, really cute. So I unwrap this. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, get ready to see this. Such cute stuff. I'm fairly new to the whole brand. I remember seeing them at Comic-Con a few years ago, and I just thought it was really cute. I like the aesthetic because, again, it reminded me a lot of, let's face it, Hello Kitty and all those cute like brands that are very, you know, anyway. I just decided this was cute. I remember buying a bag, and I don't know if they had a lot of stationery, but they had like little products, which I also go gaga over. So I just said I kept them on the back of my mind. So when I saw that they had like these surprise boxes, I figured, why not? So I'm just gonna lift these because I don't know the whole like world and story about Tokidoki, but I just want to show this. This is called Unicorn Blessings. And it looks like it was a holiday edition of some kind, which I like. So I think I'm gonna put on my glasses, and we're just gonna stumble through this together as people who are new to the Tokidoki world. Yes, indeed. It reads here, the Unicornos, Unicornos, were once simple little ponies that were out trotting and wandered into a magic waterfall. Passing through the waterfall, the ponies transformed into unicorns and found a hidden magical kingdom. The Unicornos live between the magic kingdom and our world. This is not a toy, this is collectible art. So clearly this is not something that I should be taking out of the packaging, so I won't. But it's definitely a holiday themed Merry Christmas kind of ornamenty type of thing. So I'm really thrilled about that. What's the next thing? The next thing in here, oh, I just adore their packaging. Isn't it cute? What is this one? Wormcorno? What? Mermicorno. This is like a mermaid type of unicorn. I guess it's a mix. One special night, a group of unicornos were flying in the direction of falling stars. The falling stars were disappearing into a sparkly sea, which transformed them into starfish while changing snowflakes into jellyfish. They rode the tail of a shooting star into the magical sea, turning them into enchanting creatures of half unicorno and half fish. But the unicorns are already half and half to begin with. Interesting. One day, while following the migrating dolphins, they discovered the surface of our world. Thus began the legend of the Mermicornos, rumored to only resurface during a lunar eclipse. Again, this is not a toy. This is collectible art. So I'm afraid to open the box, but I do want to. Should I open? I'm afraid. So I'm not sure what's in there, and short of breaking the box is the only way I'm going to find out what's in there. So I'm going to pause that. And they have a similar one here, the Holiday Unicorno Series 2. And it says the same story. But again, it's a holiday themed thing, and it's not a toy, it's collectible art. So I'm like, do I break open the box? I have to research that. If I don't have to, I won't. But I'm dying to open to see what's inside there because it's so cute. The next one is another holiday Unicorno series 3. So cute. Look at that little guy. Oh my goodness. Again, this is not a toy. This is collectible art. So it's not stuff meant to be played with. Okay, this is amazing. Look at this. This looks like a burger packaging. This is adorbs. And this is called Fast Food Besties. So cute. It says to open, but I'm wondering, I'm afraid because it's like, oh, it's not it's not a toy. This is like art. So it looks like there's a seal on this. So I'm gonna try to open this without like destroying the box so much. Let's see if it'll let me. Luckily I have a blade. Uh-oh. And when you open it, there's this little, and it looks like is it stickers? It just says Fast Food Besties. Tokidoki means sometimes in Japanese. I chose a Japanese word because I love Japan. I love everything from the ultra-modern happy face of Shibuya to the serious magic silence of Kyoto. I chose sometimes because everyone waits for moments that change one's destiny. By simple chance or meeting a new person, Tokidoki is the hope, the hidden energy everyone has inside that gives us the strength to face a new day and dream something positive, that something magical will happen to us. And the person writes, hello, my name is Simone Legno. I am an artist from Rome, Italy. Wow. So this is an homage to Japan, which is why I keep going. It's fairly reminiscent of Hello Kitty. And here are the stickers. So cute. The food, the energy, the cuteness, the vibe is all there. Love, love, love. I can't imagine that this would be like a version where I also like, with my American tendencies, I look at this and I go, that looks like American. Like if they had done McDonald's in a Japanese style drawing setup of, you know, all the characters that we've seen over the years that have appeared in McDonald's commercials. So, you know, I'm loving it. It's delicious. I'm loving it. Get it? And it has this cute little packaging here. Should I open? Why not? It doesn't say not to open. But I'm loving that it has this little packaging there. I don't know if you can see. I don't know, my camera's not. But you see. I'm like, so how do I open this? Oh, I can get my blade and open it. That'll probably make life easier. I'm afraid to open it, but at the same time I want to open it. Look inside. Plasticky smell. What? Okay. Is this adorable or is this adorable? Has pink sneakers. It's like pink. And there's a little bear on top. I'm screaming inside. This is so cute. That might be a straw next to the bear. Sitting in a little piggy that has a bowl of what looks like ramen. Adorbs. And it's spicy, obviously. So funny. I think this is so adorable. If I find out, I'm sure all these characters have names. Yes, they do. And this one's called Pig of Noodles. Okay, there you go. And there it is. And this is also another Unicorno. This is Watermelly. And he certainly looks, that little horse certainly looks like it's made of watermelon. Again, this is not a toy, this is collectible art, so I cannot open these. So part of me is like, but at the same time, I totally understand the cuteness is to die for, and the packaging is so cute. So cute. I'm like, the cute factor is through the roof. Oh, but there's other stuff in here. Okay. So the next thing I see in here is t-shirts. What? Yeah, it's a t-shirt. What? And I got them in the large because I wasn't sure if a medium was like US medium, because a US medium fits me just fine. But if it's coming from another place, they're usually 2 sizes smaller. So, oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you this shirt. And it is from their brand. So they have t-shirts too as well. I'm like, oh, I love it. Look at, she's fierce. Oh, the drawings are gorgeous. Awesome. TKDK, Los Angeles. Yeah. The tats, the flowers, the models are everything. And then there's a symbol in the back. The company logo. Love, love, love. And it's like a tie-dye sort of setup here. Oh no, it's not that. It's a little, is it a pencil? It could be a pen, like a gel pen. I think it is. Is this adorbs or what? Look. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's adorable. Ah! I wonder if this one will be the logo. No, it can't be the logo. But this could be my little mascot. So cute. And I think it's an eraser type. I wouldn't dare use it because it's so cute. I don't want to ruin it. Oh my goodness. Oh wait. And appears again. What is this? Unicorno Strawberry Magical Candy. Oh, that is so adorbs. Again, it's like screaming to me all the cuteness. I wonder if I can open it. I need a blade to open that, just because. And this case, of course, is reusable. And these are little candies inside. Oh, let's see if I can show them up close so you can see. Look at that design, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. It's a puzzle book. Oh, I love it. And it says, improve your kawaii cue. Memory puzzles and other brain games. So yeah, that's the name for the cuteness. It's kawaii style. This is so, so cute. It's like spot the differences, hidden objects to color in. And more stickers. Love, love, love. Again, with a holiday theme. Aww. Is that adorbs or is that adorbs? Oh my goodness, the cute quality is just going into overload at this point. And again, this is their stylized packaging. I will put the price tag here, and more information about, you know, whether it comes out seasonally, which it just might. It might be a seasonal package. I'll post the information somewhere here, or at the end of the video, or in the description box. So please look out for that. So this is my first experience with like a full, like on taste of what Tokidoki is all about. And I am in love with the cuteness. What do you think? Are you into kawaii? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. I'm so glad I took this a little step out of the box of what I'm normally doing on this channel. I can't decide what the cutest factor is, but I think it may have to be with the clothing and with the snacks. Like these little like magical candies. Love, love, love. And again, the whole aesthetic cuteness, even with, you know, some characters that normally aren't perceived as cute, adore. Yeah, I can't wait to dive in and just look at this stuff and figure out whether or not I'm going to open these boxes or not. And just look up and see what that story is about. I am beyond thrilled, and it's a great introduction to the brand. Hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.